If you're using Ubuntu but need to access a Windows computer remotely, the good news is that it's easier than most people think. In this video, I'll walk you through how to remote desktop from Ubuntu to Windows using simple steps anyone can follow. Whether you're working from home, managing files, or helping someone with troubleshooting, this setup will save you a lot of time. Let's start with the Windows side. Before Ubuntu can connect to it, you need to enable Remote Desktop on your Windows computer. Just open the Settings app, go to System, and then select Remote Desktop. Switch on the Enable Remote Desktop option and confirm. Make sure you note the device name or IP address of your Windows PC because you'll need it later when connecting from Ubuntu. Also ensure the Windows user account you plan to log in with has a password, since Remote Desktop won't work without one. Now let's go to your Ubuntu computer. Ubuntu doesn't include a built-in Microsoft Remote Desktop Client, but it does include an app called Remmina, and most of the time it's already installed. If it's not there, you can easily install it from the Ubuntu Software Center by searching for Remmina and installing the Remote Desktop Client. Once Remmina is open, click the plus button to create a new connection. Set the protocol to RDP, which stands for Remote Desktop Protocol. In the server field, type the Windows computer's IP address or device name. Enter your Windows username and password, and then save the connection. After that, just click Connect. You'll see your Windows desktop open right inside your Ubuntu machine, ready for you to control. If the connection fails, don't worry, it usually means one of two things. Either the Windows firewall is blocking the connection or Remote Desktop wasn't enabled correctly. You can fix this by checking Windows firewall settings and making sure Remote Desktop is allowed. Also make sure both computers are on the same network unless you're connecting over the internet through a VPN. And that's it. With just a few steps, you can instantly control your Windows PC from Ubuntu, open apps, copy files, or run tasks just like you're sitting in front of it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.